Customizing autofill. In Microsoft Excel, there is also an advantage of customizing autofill in addition to using the built-in defaults for the task. To create this list, open the File menu and go to Options. Here you can see Advanced section. In this Advanced section, you go down to the bottom of the screen. There, you can see now Edit Custom List, where the actual control is located. To create a new list, I simply go into the list entries. Here, I'm going to simply type in each of the items that I want. Now see that I'm typing each of them one below the other. I'm not putting any commas or anything afterwards. When I hit the Add button, it now moves it to the left-hand side where I have Sales, Marketing, Finance. If I want to change a list, I simply click on the list. It shows the information under List Entries. When I go back to List Entries, I can go in and now simply add a new item to the list itself. You cannot change any of the default lists, which is why they are gray. Here I can select New List to get to a blank screen in order to add a new list. Once I click OK, I am taken back to my dialog box. I am going to close my dialog box with another OK, and now I'm back at my screen. If I type in Sales, I can now once again use my pull down and actually fill in my list. So with the help of this feature, you can add data as many times as you want to. If you want to add Department Accounting to the list, go first to the File, click Options, then go to the Advanced section in Excel 2010, and then go to Edit Custom Lists. Here, I am going to select Sales, Marketing. Now, I can type in the word Accounting as a new item. Hit Add and say OK. Close the dialog box and now again drag my list out. Notice Accounting is entered on the screen. This technique is very simple and time-saving for typing headings in Microsoft Excel.